It's on us.
It's on us.
It's on us.
To make sure everyone knows that it's sexual assault if people don't or can't consent to sex.
To take responsibility for our actions and our inactions.
To realize we have a role to play in stopping sexual assault.
To create an environment where everyone feels and are safe.
To step in if a friend is doing something that could lead to sexual assault.
It's on us.
It's on us.
To get someone home safely if they need help.
To hold our friends accountable.
To tell our friends if what they are doing is wrong.
To never blame the victim.
To educate and push ourselves to do better.
It's on us.
It's on us.
To stop sexual assault any way we can.
To keep an eye on someone in a vulnerable situation.
To not look the other way.
To do something to get in the way of a sexual assault.
To step up and say something.
It's on us.
It's on us.
To let our friends know what is and is not acceptable.
To help a victim report a sexual assault if they want to.
To look out for someone who has had too much to drink.
To get in the way if we see something happening.
To stand up to those who tell us it is not our business.
To say something when our friends are being stupid.
It's on us.
It's on us.
To call non-consensual sex what it is, rape.
To act when we think someone's in trouble.
To do something.
To be part of the solution, not part of the problem.
It's on us.
It's on us.
It's on us.
To make sexual assault unacceptable.
To take reports of sexual assault seriously.
To stop someone from doing something we know is wrong.
To be more than just a bystander.
It's on us to stop sexual assault.